This Select Realty property video is presented by Deana Dixon. Welcome to your next home project in the heart of Mena, Arkansas. Nestled in a highly desirable area, this charming fixer-upper offers a unique opportunity to create your dream home. Small storage building could serve as a workshop space. Possible fourth bedroom. Porches, a small creek, ward, and a fence for privacy. Unleash your creativity and transform this house into a home. With a bit of vision and TLC, you can customize each space to fit your lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.